Hello everyone. Before we start the academics, it's very important for all of us to know certain things that are very important for our child's development. The first main three things which are very important are developing their skills, their motor skills. And when I talk about motor skills, it's about developing their fine motor skills, the gross motor skills, and their psychomotor skills. Now, what are fine motor skills? Fine motor skills are the skills that involve our fine motors, that is our finger movements. What do we do with fine motors? What is the use of developing fine motors? Fine motors helps us to write, to hold things, and that's very important. So before the child holds a pencil in its hand for writing, it's very important that a child starts holding his spoon properly. The child knows how to hold a toy. The child knows how to hold certain things. So first few months we need to develop this fine motor skills so that at later stage our child is comfortable in holding the pencil and writing. For developing the fine motor skills, we need to emphasize more on our fingers, on strengthening our fingers. We need to do different exercises which we will be sharing over a period of time. Different exercises. Okay? And now my friend Sunitra would be sharing one exercise which you could do with your child using the fine motor skills. Kindly listen to the video carefully. She is using her three fingers: the index finger, the thumb, the index finger, and the middle finger. These three fingers have to be used to do this particular activity. Why am I emphasizing on these three fingers? These are the tripods. These are the tripod which the child holds its pencil. And before the child holds its pencil, it's very important for us to ensure that our child can hold his spoon properly. The child needs to understand how to hold a spoon and put it in the mouth. That is again fine motor skill and psychomotor skill, because it knows that the spoon, what it's holding, it has to go in the mouth. So here is a small video for you. Please look at the video and do it along with your child so that your child also experiences and enjoys its learning because it's doing with the parent. And don't forget tripod. Use the tripod to do this particular activity. About the gross motor skills and the psychomotor skills, we would be talking in our next videos. Happy learning.
Good morning children. Today we are going to learn how to tear a paper. For that we will take a paper and a pole. We hold the paper with the hand. Okay, but now see, three of my fingers will do the magic. So these are like my thumb, index finger, and middle finger. So from these three fingers I will do the magic. I will hold the paper like this and now tear it. You can tear the paper with your three fingers. See which fingers we are using: thumb, index finger, and middle finger. Bits of paper, lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, pick them up. We will put these bits of paper in the bowl so that our house will not get dirty. you can tear it more smaller. This is a big little bit square paper. You tear it more and make it smaller like this. These are also big papers. We'll tear it 1, 2, 3 and go on. So these are now become smaller pieces of paper, right? These are the big pieces of paper and these are the smaller piece. Bits of paper lying on the floor, makes the place untidy, pick them up and throw them in the dustbin. You can do this. First day you can do this much. Second day more smaller, then more smaller, and you can make these smaller pieces of paper. Like this you can tear the paper. So today what we learned, how to tear the paper. Enjoy? Yes. Bye bye children.